Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic muffler. This is a straightforward task that many can accomplish at home with basic tools. Before starting, ensure your car is cool and on a flat surface. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Having the right tools, like a jack and stands, will make the job much easier and safer for you. Now, let's get to removing the old muffler. First, you'll need to loosen the bolts connecting it to the exhaust pipe. If they are stubborn, a little penetrating oil can work wonders. Next, carefully detach the rubber hangers that support the muffler assembly. There are typically 2 or 3 of these. Once free, gently lower the old muffler, being mindful of its weight, which can be around 15 to 20 pounds. With the old muffler out, it's time to install the new one. Start by hooking the new muffler onto the rubber hangers. This provides crucial support. Then, carefully align the new muffler with the exhaust pipe connection point. Use new gaskets and bolts to secure it firmly. Make sure to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring a snug and leak-free fit for optimal performance. After installation, perform some crucial final checks. Start your engine and listen intently for any exhaust leaks or strange noises. If you hear anything, recheck your connections. Also, double-check that all bolts are tightened securely. A helpful tip for the future is to apply anti-seize compound to new bolts, making future maintenance much easier. Finally, remember to dispose of your old muffler responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.